Oh, it snaps! Hey y'all, it's AK. Welcome back to the channel. So for those that don't know, my name is AK Brown, and just consider me your fashion guru, your fashion BFF, okay? But for real, my name is AK Brown, and my channel is all about fashion, influence, and creativity. So if you have not done yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this video. Check out all of my little links in the description because I can guarantee you that you'll need them in your life. Okay. Alright y'all, so on today's video, I'm doing another haul review. Yay. So now you guys can, start to dive into my hoarding and my horrible spending habit. I am reviewing Charles & Keith, which is a very affordable and inexpensive handbag line. They have some other stuff. They have like shoes and clothes and kids stuff. Yeah, but I buy their purses. Like, y'all know I love purses. If you know me, you know I love a good purse. I don't know how I stumbled upon their website. I can't tell you. It was probably a Facebook ad. They will get you in trouble. But I am so glad that I found Charles & Keith. Their handbags are quality. They're affordable. Like, affordable, whether it's just regular price or sale price. They're affordable and they're so cute and stylish, and a lot of them are, at least to me, very unique, or just a lot of silhouettes or materials that I haven't seen in a handbag, at least in a while. So let's go ahead and review them. So I actually just got a package like 10 minutes ago. So 3 of these bags came from this one package. Okay, let's open it up and let's see what we got here. All right y'all, so this first bag that I just opened up, which I was really excited to get. Like, when I saw it on the website, I told myself, okay, when you get paid again, if you still want it, get it. So it is a neon yellow translucent pleated accordion bag, whatever word you want to use to describe this detailing. So it's gorgeous all the way around. So I want to say I got this on sale for $39 US dollars. I say US dollars because I believe the company is based in Singapore. A little bit about me: I actually want to go to Singapore. I'm interested just in their culture, their lifestyle, fashion, and I feel like it's a really big melting pot of a lot of cultures, just from like what I've seen, different TV shows, stuff like that. So I really do want to go to Singapore. The translucent neon pleated bag, it's just so cute. It kind of looks like a little shopping bag. So not only do you get this bag, you get it snaps! A little other bag inside, and I want to say this is suede and it feels really good. So you can carry the bag like this, which I think I'll carry the bag like this. You could carry the bag with the other inside bag to, protect your valuables and stuff like that. It does come with a strap, and then, which they started to do, which I'm very happy about, it comes with like a little carrying bag. So when you pack it, when you're traveling, you can protect your bag by putting it in the little carrying bag. So I'm trying to see what else is in here. Yeah, this is cute. I love this bag. So first bag, this is the translucent neon pleated bag. Second bag, I'm really into mini bags and backpacks. So when I saw this, okay, can we just give it up for their like protective packaging when they ship? Because a lot of companies don't do all this to protect their stuff. Second bag, this mini bag is so cute. It's a mini backpack. Like, guys, look at this. And the material, I'm going to assume, is some type of leather or PU, but whatever type of leather that they use, it's like a wrinkled type texture. It's so cute. Yeah, you guys can see that. It's like a wrinkled type texture. That's so gorgeous. I love the pop of the red to go against the cream and the black detailing on the zipper. Like, this is cute. Again, another protective pouch, so when you travel, like, they have it all thought of. And then because it is a mini backpack, it does come with 2 straps, which I won't open because I'm not going to use it right now. But it's so good knowing that I have those straps if I actually want to carry it on my back. So this bag is so cute, and it has 2 little side pockets. This is cute. Like, I'm gonna see how I can style this. Like, be looking out for another video styling this. Like, look out for this. Look out for this. Okay? Look out for this. The third bag. I already kind of opened this third bag because I just used it for a video that I just did, how to style this. Link in the description. Check out the video. Make sure to share and like that video too on my Instagram. But this, girl, okay. This is so cute. So it's like a textured, I don't even know what to call this, like a pebble texture, and it, like, you can feel it. It's not just like a print or anything. This is the actual texture of the bag. It kind of looks like a rendition of like the Chinese box bag, but it actually like is functional, if that makes sense. Like, I love the handles, and this comes in black too. I may still go ahead and get the black, but I was looking for a bag that was like very like cute as far as like either like a print or like a texture, which is the reason why I got this. So it comes with a strap, which I like if you want to use it as a crossbody. And then just like the neon bag, it comes with its own pouch inside. I want to say this is either like a really nice leather or some type of neoprene or something. Whatever the material is, it feels good. And then just the inside itself feels good, and I want to say it's like suede lined. You guys can even see that that's like some type of suede. So I want to say this was, again, $39, $49 on sale. Probably wasn't that much more off sale. Like Charles and Keith, again, I don't know how I found them, but I'm glad I found them. And all their bags have this cute, just little, you know, engraved logoing. I think that's just like, it's just so cute. It's so cute. The next bag I got a couple days ago. I haven't been able to wear it anywhere. So yeah. And these come in so many different colors. I think it comes in like white, black, red, blue, and then the rope itself is like multicolor to match the opposite color of the bag. So if it's like black, the rope is like white and black. If it's a white bag, the rope is like black and white, and then vice versa. So I love this bag. Like, I just don't, it's just so unique to me. And then again, just like with the other bags, comes with a separate strap, so you can either wear it as a crossbody, you can wear it like this as a handle. It comes with its own inside pouch, so you can either put your stuff in the pouch, put your stuff naked in the bag like this, however you want to wear it. And then, like I said, just like with the other bags, it came with its own travel pouch, travel bag, so that way you can travel with it. It won't get scratched, it won't get anything on it, it won't get messed up during travel, and you can keep it nice and safe and pretty. So the next bag, it's just so cute. So this bag I've worn out already, so there may be like some makeup stains and stuff, like, because as soon as I saw the bag come in, I'm like, yeah, I need to go ahead and just, you coming with me to run errands, come on, boo. I just love grosgrain, rope, utility type things. I love pops of neon, especially orange, yellow, mixed with just classic colors, white, black, stuff like that. So It's so cute. And I feel like this is a perfect bag for just like a night out because it's not too big, but it's still roomy enough to carry stuff. So again, just like with all the other bags, it comes with a separate strap if you want to wear it as a crossbody. So this is, and let me take my nails out of here. This is the inside of the bag. So it's still pretty roomy. And actually, so like for most of us, we really don't like to take our wallets out when we go out. So, you know, that way we don't like lose our IDs and shit like that. So even if you want to just take your cards out of your wallet and just put it in the purse, like if you're going out to eat, going to the bar, going to the club, whatever, there's still a slot in here that you can put your cards and they don't like move around. So they stay in that pouch. I used it when I went out to dinner and I was able to fit 3 cards and my ID safely, securely, and it didn't move. They stayed in there. So, and then you can fit your phone, you can fit, you know, lip gloss, whatever else essentials you need, travel deodorant, travel perfume, stuff like that. So yeah, again, I'm just gonna continuously say this as we go through the video. Charles and Keith are just gonna take my money. So they are my new Aldo. Affordable, inexpensive, whether it's on sale, whether it's not on sale. This is probably my go-to company for handbags. Affordable, cute, versatile, trendy handbags. Last but not least, for those of y'all commenting on Facebook about my obsession with miniature bags, okay, I'm gonna show you this bag up close and personal. It was the topic of conversation. Oh my god, I absolutely love this bag. This was the first bag I bought from Charles and Keith about a month and a half ago, okay? Now, again, it's that mini, but it still comes with its own travel case bag strap, so that way you can wear it as a crossbody. This bag, I know for a fact, comes in like 7 colors, I want to say. I want to get the red, and I want to get kind of like the nudie peach version. And I can't tell if you guys can see. You should be able to see because my camera is 4K, okay? But the chain and then the circle hardware for you to be able to attach the chain, it's like a matte finish. Like, and it's so smooth and it feels so good. So Charles and Keith, I just feel like they try to really pay attention to like the trims, embellishments, and any finishings of the purse, so that way the entire kind of like concept just comes full circle. Like, and that's why I like. Shipping, I know, is a question that you guys are going to be asking, especially because, yeah, it's still COVID. There are going to be states, probably even here in Missouri soon, I feel like are going to be shut down again because we're going through the 2nd wave and the 3rd wave of COVID. So stores and retail are still going to be impacted by the coronavirus mega. So like, don't just feel like because we're getting into July, it went away and everything's going to return back to normal. So with that being said, they ship on time, and I get my packages earlier than what they predict. My review of Charles and Keith, 10 out of 10, 20 out of 20, 100 out of 100. Whatever you want to call it, they get 5 stars from me. Hands down. Okay? So I'm definitely going to figure out how to incorporate some of these bags into some looks. Again, I already did a look with one of the bags, which you can check out below. Make sure to share that video. And if you're looking for affordable, trendy, fashion-forward handbags that I think anybody could wear, no matter if you're a trendsetter or if you're even more so like a minimalist, I feel like these bags could easily just be the pop that you need to keep your outfit as minimal as possible, to tailor it to your personal wants and needs. So charlesandkeith.com, link in the description. I love them. Plain, simple, to the point. That's it, that's all. Nothing more, nothing less. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this first impressions review, haul, all that good stuff. I will be having more because I'm a shopaholic. I'm a hoarder. Again, another conversation for another video. But until those videos come, again, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Please like and share this video. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I mean, you know, I will start to do like actual like in-depth style videos. I've been trying the shorter ones. Those actually have been working for me. The first and only one that I've done thus far, because even the one I did for this outfit, I have not posted yet. By the time this video is on YouTube, I probably would have posted it, but as of right now, I did not post it yet. So the only video that I've ever done is the most views that I've gotten on YouTube. I'm not even on TikTok like that, but I got a lot of views, at least in my opinion, a lot of views on TikTok. So those videos are working for me. But I will go in depth as far as with my style videos, you know, different things that you guys want to see, how to style in multiple ways, actual step by step. I will be doing that. So if you're looking for any type of in particular specific style videos, drop a comment, let me know, and I will make sure to put that on my list and get to that for you. So until next time, stay fashionable, stay trendy, all that good stuff, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.